Amazon ice cream truck, stop on by and fill me up. Double scoops till I feel sick. I can't get enough of that cheap ass shit. Well, pop it open and fill it up. Fold those flaps and tape the top. Put it in the back of the truck and get it here before the sun come up. Cause it only costs $1 that I'm gonna have to borrow. And you know you won't be sorry if it don't get here tomorrow. I say Amazon ice cream truck, stop on by and fill me up. Double scoops till I feel sick. I can't get enough of that cheap ass shit. Alexa automatically detects you, listens to every word I say, and got what I want every single day. My friends were all addicted, got our toothpaste on subscription, perfect smiles all the time as we're living through our prime. I say Amazon ice cream truck, stop on by, fill me up. Double scoops and I feel sick. I can't get enough of your cheap ass liquor. Don't keep me waiting for very long. You got everything I need. If your truck could just scream me a song, I'd come meet you at the street. Me waiting for very long. You got everything I need. If your truck could just scream me a song, I'd come meet you at the street. Say Amazon ice cream truck, stop on by, fill me up. Rocket pops till I feel sick. I can't get enough of that cheap ass shit. Say Amazon ice cream truck, stop on by, fill me up. Double scoop till I feel sick. I can't get enough of that cheap ass shit. Thank you.